Welcome to JH. Herbavita liquid drops are currently being marketed as a comprehensive 10-in-1 organic sour extract. This product claims to provide a wide range of health benefits, from strengthening your immune system to supporting your heart, digestion, and stress levels. Each bottle is sold for $34.99. According to the company, the formula combines a sour flavor profile with 9 distinct plants, such as sea moss, ashwagandha, moringa, and oregano. They also assert that the product is backed by more than 1,200 scientific studies, which sounds quite impressive until you examine the details more carefully. The reality is that no actual research demonstrates that this specific mixture of ingredients works effectively together or delivers the health results they promise. While some individual ingredients might have minor health benefits on their own, nothing proves they become more potent when combined in this way. Additionally, just because a substance shows antioxidant properties in a laboratory setting does not mean it will significantly impact your health and daily life. There are also several major red flags to consider. There is no information regarding who actually manufactures this product, no legitimate customer support, and no way for users to leave independent reviews on their website. The 5-star testimonials they display look suspicious, and the Trustpilot score they highlight does not actually exist on the Trustpilot platform. Even more concerning is that you can find what appears to be the exact same product on sites like Alibaba or Temu for only $1 to $3. Herbavita is essentially placing a fancy label on a cheap, generic supplement and reselling it at a massive markup. They use deceptive limited-time discounts to make it seem like you are getting a bargain, but it is simply part of the marketing gimmick. With no real science, fake reviews, and sketchy tactics, you are much better off choosing health support that is actually backed by solid research. Do not fall for the hype.